Want to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook? If you no longer want to use it or are having trouble logging in, you can disable it easily. Let me show you the step-by-step method. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android and tap the menu 3 lines at the bottom right corner. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Step 3. Tap on Account Center, then go to Password and Security. Step 4. Select Two-Factor Authentication and tap on your Facebook account. Step 5. Tap Turn Off and confirm your choice by entering your password. Important notes: turning off two-factor authentication reduces your account security. You may need to verify your identity before disabling it. If you're locked out of your account, try using backup codes or your recovery email. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides. See you in the next one.